So I thought I would come in and do an intro. So how y'all doing? Thank you so much for all the people that subscribed the last few days. I appreciate you. Um, this cleaning is gonna be a little intense because I I pulled some tooth out, my wisdom tooth out of the past couple of days, and I did not clean for like 2 days. I promise, just 2 days, and my kids trash trashed the house, which is why I'm talking so funny. It's a little bit swollen, but it's not hurting me anymore. So I can eat a little bit now. I was drinking soup and stuff, so now it's feeling a little bit better. So I woke up today, shower, clean up. Like, as you can see, I don't look like I'm about to go clean, but it's fine. I'm gonna be cleaning the kitchen, dining room and living room. I'm saying dining room like this because I don't have a formal dining room. We have like a breakfast nook, so I'm gonna clean that today. Where I'm sitting is usually clean because that's like the do not sit living room. That's the formal living room. So I'm not gonna clean that today because there's so much stuff to do. So I'm gonna just do some cleaning where they mess up. Don't forget the notification bell. That's the only way you'll know that when I post, and I'm gonna try to post more often now. And don't forget to share the video with your friends. The cleaning videos, I love them because they get you motivated. They help you get up and do some stuff. So if you know anyone that have kids that's stuck in the house, share the video to them. Maybe that'll help them get some motivation to clean. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. I love the comments. I like to talk to people, so we can communicate there. If you have any question, we can communicate there. And I'll try to put all the cleaning products in the notification box this time. I haven't been doing great at that because I don't know, for some reason it's just so hard to find the links and put them in, but I will try my best to do that, and so that you guys can see what I use. And if you need anything, you can definitely go on there. I'm gonna try my best, like I said, to do that because I haven't been doing great at that. So with that being said, let's get to it. Alright, so let's get to it. First thing I'm gonna do is find a garbage bag, start putting all the garbage away. I feel like when I take all the garbage out first, it's the room look cleaner, and it's kind of easier for me to see what I'm working with, and it kind of make it feel like I'm cleaning faster when I just take all the garbage and put them away. And here I'm just having the kids pick up their toys and things like that because I like to make them feel like they're involved in cleaning. That way they don't feel like they're just dropping toys and then they're just not doing anything and I'm just here cleaning for them. So I have them pick up their toys, put them where they belong, and then I'll just keep fixing other things. And that's what I'm gonna keep doing here. Just keep going and keep watching. Alright guys, so now I'm just trying to dust the fireplace. I don't know if you'll see it in the video, but this fireplace was so dusty. I'm not I don't usually wipe it down, but I really need to start doing that because I kind of like wipe the things on top of it and don't do it, but I really need to start doing that. So I was showing you guys what I use for the chairs in the countertop. The countertop, I use that spray that I got at Target, and that spray smells so good. It just makes the whole house smells good. And then disinfecting wipes, I just use the Target brand, and because I feel like it just do the same thing and it's cheaper, so I just go for it instead. And then this spray right here I use to wipe the table. It's for the wood, and it make the table so shiny. And it's at first when you use it, it's kind of greasy, but I would clean with it and then take another piece of paper and kind of dry it out. So this is how I use it in case you are interested. Guys, so now I'm in the kitchen trying to tackle all the dishes that was dirty the past couple of days. So which is why I didn't start in the kitchen. I feel like it was way too much at first, so I thought I would knock down the family room and the breakfast nook first, and then I can just take my time and clean the kitchen. So I usually start by washing them first. Not really washing, like I would rinse them with the sponge, kind of take all the things that was in the plate, because I feel like if I put them in the dishwasher just like that, I feel like they don't get clean properly. I don't know if it's the Haitian in me, but I just don't trust the dishwasher to do all the deep cleaning and take all the residue out. So I would just go and take them out first. So it's kind of like a pre-wash, and then I let the dishwasher do the rest of the job. So this is what I'll keep doing here, and just go ahead and keep watching. Right, guys, I am all done with the dishes. So I'm gonna wipe down the microwave and the stove. I kind of had to stop a little bit because I had to start on dinner, but now I'm just wiping down things, wiping the counter, and then I'll just be brooming the floor, then mop, and then I'll be all done with cleaning. Thank goodness. If you see me doing some funny move here because I was listening to music, that's the only way I would get motivated to clean. So if you are looking for motivation to clean, just put some music on, and you're not even gonna be thinking about all the work that you have to do. You're just gonna be singing along. Just make you a playlist and sing along while you do things. So that's what I'll be doing here, and and we are gonna be all done. Thank you so much for watching, and like you see here, this is the finished product. This is what it looks like now, and I am just love when I have a clean home. Don't you guys just love when you are done cleaning and the house is so nice and so clean, and you can just sit and relax and enjoy your hard work? Right, so I would to thank you guys again for watching the video. Before you leave, don't forget to like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you can click the subscribe button so you can join the family, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.